Hello students, welcome again with me Miss Vanisha, and this is our 6th sessions. Well students, I hope you are well wherever you are, and I hope that you have already mastered the previous material we have studied. Well students, in these sessions we're going to talk about life values. It is related to personal values, family's values, work values it could be, and to be more specific, you will be able to explain values related to friendship, relationship, values in the family, how to raise the children's, not nuclear or extended families, and values in the workplace, of course, because it's very important nowadays, and work ethics, rewards or satisfactions. Well students, you can access the Module 4 in Unit 1, 2, 3 related to this material, and don't forget to be active in participating in our group discussions. Well students, enjoy your learning and good luck!